Oh no, don't go at it. No, don't go at it, you're gonna die. No! Oh, just way background. You made Bruno sad. It is a very serious crime to pirate apps according to copyright law. Now thanks to you, Bruno the Slime Cat is now sad. To make him happy, you need to turn off your iPhone. What the heck? You didn't listen to me? I told you to turn off your iPhone and you didn't do it? Please turn off your iPhone right now or else there will be more punishments in the way.
That's it! You've crossed the line! If you don't turn off your iPhone, then Bruno the Slime Cat is going to give you the last punishment! Final reminder, turn off your iPhone